Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled to introduce you to an advanced Elementor custom widget that can create a captivating auto-typing text animation effect. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, you might recall my previous tutorial on how to add typing text animation to a website using a code snippet. While that video was well received, it had some limitations in terms of usability and functionality. For instance, replicating the same effect on multiple sections of a web page required some basic understanding of front-end web development languages, and modifying the code snippet could be a daunting task for beginners. To overcome these challenges and provide more advanced functionality, I have created this new Elementor custom widget for an auto-typing text animation effect. With this advanced and reusable widget, you can add creativity and engagement to your website without any coding experience. Apart from this, it works exactly like native Elementor widgets. All you need to do is drag and drop it into your editor page, and it's ready to be customized to your liking. Furthermore, it seamlessly works with both the free and pro versions of Elementor, and it supports both the Flexbox and default section column layouts. Before we proceed further, let's take a closer look at the features and functionality of the Elementor auto-typing text animation widget. First and foremost, it's important to note that this widget loads quickly on your website without the need for additional server-side requests, as I did not utilize any additional libraries in its creation. In addition to its user-friendly interface and customizable controls, this widget is equipped with advanced features such as support for Unicode symbols as cursor icons, inline CSS styling, and HTML markup. This means that you can create a text string with dual colors and a cursor similar to the example shown here. Furthermore, the widget supports line breaks and multicolor strings, giving you even more customization options. You can also control the typing speed, deletion speed, cursor blinking speed, and pause time between the ending of the typing and the start of the deletion animation, and add various text decorations like the ones shown here. Additionally, you can set alignment with responsive controls, which allows for different alignments on different devices. All in all, the Elementor auto-typing text animation widget is a powerful tool for creating engaging and dynamic text animations on your website. To use this auto-typing text animation widget on your Elementor website, you will be required two things: the Unlimited Elements free plugin, which works with both the Elementor Pro and Elementor free versions, and the widget itself, which you can download from my Gumroad shop for just $3.99. Folks, if you want to save even more on my already affordable auto-typing text animation widget, then here is exciting news for you. If you watch the entire video without skipping, you will discover a 10% discount coupon code that you can use at my Gumroad store. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Head to my Gumroad store now and take advantage of this unbeatable deal. Once you will complete your order, you will receive a zip file containing another zip file of the widget itself, and a README instruction manual. To import the widget into your WordPress website, first, extract the downloaded zip file to any location on your computer. However, make sure not to extract the widget zip file itself. In other words, it is crucial to import the widget zip file directly without extracting it. Now, go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure that both Elementor and the Unlimited Elements plugin are installed and activated. You can install these plugins from the WordPress plugin repository. Next, hover over the Unlimited Elements and click on the Widgets option. Now, the Unlimited Elements plugin comes with dozens of free and pro widgets. You can install free widgets without making any purchase. However, please note that all custom widgets listed on my Gumroad shop, including the auto-typing widget, are based on the free version of this plugin. Therefore, you don't need to make any additional purchase to use them. Before importing your custom widget, you'll need to create a new category. To do this, simply click on this plus button. Then type the category name, and then click on this button. To import a new widget, just navigate to the newly created category and click on the Import Widgets button. You can then either drag and drop the widget zip file, or double-click to locate and attach the widget zip file from your computer. Finally, click on the Import Widgets button to complete the import process. That's all. Your auto-typing text widget is now ready to use on your website. To use this custom widget on your Elementor editor page, simply go to the page where you want to add the typing effect animation. Next, search for Auto-Typer in the Widget search field. Once you find the widget, drag and drop it into the section where you want to add the typing effect animation. To customize the Auto-Typer widget, go to the Content tab in the Elementor editor. You'll find several options to customize the widget, which I'll explain one by one. The first and second input fields allow you to set the typing and deletion cursor symbols respectively. You can input keyboard symbols, numbers, text, and even Unicode symbols. The third and fourth input fields are for the starting text and ending text respectively. The starting text appears before the typing text string, while the ending text appears after it. Both fields support HTML markup and inline CSS. For instance, you can use the BR tag to place the typing text string on a new line. To customize the typography and color of these fields, switch to the Style tab, enable styles, and then modify the typography and color accordingly. In the Controls section, you will find several input fields for controlling various aspects of the typing animation. The first input field is for setting the typing speed, which determines how fast the text typing animation takes place. The second input field is for setting the deletion speed, which determines how fast the text deletion animation takes place. The third input field is for setting the pause time between the typing and deletion animation. This determines how long the text stays on the screen before it starts to delete. The fourth input field is for setting the cursor blinking speed during the pause between the typing and deletion animation. This determines how fast the cursor blinks while the text is on the screen. All these fields give you precise control over the timing of the animation, allowing you to create a custom typing effect that perfectly fits your needs. Next, in the typography section, you will find various options for customizing typography, colors, and alignments. For example, the first and second options are for customizing the typography and color of all the strings collectively. The third option is for setting different text alignments on different devices, allowing you to customize the alignment based on the device being used. The fourth and fifth options are for customizing the typography and color of both cursor symbols collectively. You can use these options to change the appearance of the typing and deletion cursors. Next, this drop-down setting allows you to enable or disable individual string stylings options such as color, font style, font size, and text decorations. By default, this option is enabled. If you want to use inline CSS and HTML markup within the individual string, you need to disable this option. Overall, the typography section provides ample options to customize the text appearance and alignment of the auto-typing text widget. In the text string section, you will see 3 default text strings that have been added. You can add a new string by clicking on this button, or you can duplicate an existing string by using this icon. To customize an individual string, simply click on its title and use the first option to input the string text. The second, third, and fourth options allow you to set the color, font style, and font size for that particular string. Additionally, you can use the fifth drop-down option to set text decorations such as underline, overline, etc. If you select any option besides none from the text decoration drop-down, a few more setting options will appear below it. With these options you can further customize the text decoration style, color, and line thickness. Next, in the advanced section, you will find a Need Help link. Clicking on this link will take you to the same page where I am demonstrating the auto-typing text widget. This page offers a video tutorial for the widget, a live demo, and the option to purchase the auto-typing text widget from my Gumroad shop. You can also browse my other Elementor custom widget products, which are based on the same plugin called Unlimited Elements. Thanks for watching. Folks, I just wanted to let you know that it took me almost 15 hours to create this video for you, so please like and subscribe. It will only take you 2 seconds. And if you are considering purchasing Elementor Pro, please consider using my affiliate link provided in the video description. The price will be the same whether you use my link or purchase directly, but using my link will support this channel and allow me to continue creating useful content for you. Lastly, if you have any questions or encounter any issues with the auto-typing Elementor custom widget, please leave a comment below, and I will do my best to assist you. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.